Mmm. Ma, Kadhi Chawal. Suma dul.
How to make delicious Punjabi Kadhi. Vango, I'll show you. So to a heavy bottom kadai, add curd, add ginger, garlic, green chilli, and then gram flour, chilli powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder, and we're going to whisk well without any lumps. Add water little by little and make a lump-free mixture. Place this mixture on low flame and allow it to cook. While it's cooking, let's make the pakora mixture. 2 gram flour, add all the spices, salt, asafoetida, dhania, and then add water, lemon juice, a pinch of baking soda, and make a lump-free batter. The batter should be semi-thick like this. Heat oil and fry and make small pakoras. Now, our kadhi is also thickened. We're going to add the fried pakoras into the kadhi, add salt finally, and then we're going to temper the kadhi. Heat ghee or oil, add jeera, dry red chilli, curry leaves, and little bit of red chilli powder. That's it, a delicious kadhi is now ready.